Hey there everyone, Box Cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to a new episode of Do Road Wid Dutty. Now today, I'm going to be spending the day with all of the queens in the Miss Festival Queen competition 2024. So we have 13 ladies representing the 14 parishes and all of them awesome. Them have personality, them have charm, them have wit, intelligence, all of that. But we want to find out what a typical day is like because I hear them have whole heap of things on them schedule. They wake up like 5 o'clock and their day doesn't end until 12 a.m. And that is crazy, ridiculous. So I want to just spend a little time and to get into their world. So follow me on this edition of Do Road Wid Dutty. Yeah.
Do Road Wid Dutty.
So hey guys, so right now I'm at the Pegasus Hotel now and the ladies apparently are supposed to have breakfast. So I'm going to wait on them to come down the elevator and see if we can greet them. Let's see which one of the ladies I'm going to reach on for breakfast first. Now ladies, hey there. Hey. By the way, my name is Dutty Berry. Why am I kind of nervous? Hi. Hi.
Good morning.
Miss Portland, Miss Westmoreland. Can you tell the people the names please?
Hi, I'm Tamisha Wilson, representing the beautiful parish of Portland.
Okay, nice.
I'm Sharona Small, representing the parish known for their sugarcane and wide sandy beach, Westmoreland.
Alright then, take care. I'll be spending some time throughout the day. We're in the afternoon.
We're going to have breakfast.
Oh, now have a breakfast.
Yeah.
What kind of girl gonna be like? More ackee and saltfish, dumpling?
Yeah, that's me. That's me.
Soup?
It's a cornflakes kind of
And
girl.
an egg and
Oh, no, no.
toast kind of girl.
Oh, okay, you like a little stush or something of them. Okay.
You can do them something. Me and Mama don't.
That is it. That is it. Alright, Miss Portland. Miss Westmoreland, take care.
Thank you. Don't tell them say, and we tell them say, say to me. Yeah?
Your secrets are safe with me.
Bye.
Alright. So now this is the third queen to make it downstairs, and this is, what's your name?
My name is Danger Harrison.
Oh, wow, nice to meet you. Nice to officially meet you.
What's
Yeah.
Dutty
Dutty. Just call me Dutty,
Berry.
yeah.
Dutty
And you're,
Berry.
so Danger, you're Miss Kingston and St. Andrew.
Yes, I am.
So you're the third queen to make it down for breakfast. So, okay, you're going to breakfast now. Now, typically, what kind of breakfast girl you be? Like, what you normally go? You're Callaloo, ackee and saltfish queen, where you normally draw
So
for?
me need iron and Callaloo having the iron.
Okay.
So Callaloo for sure. I love ackee and saltfish. And for all the Jamaicans who don't love ackee and saltfish, you're
Yes.
not a true Jamaican.
Yeah, man. Take away your passport.
Literally.
That is it. Okay.
But yeah, ackee and saltfish, me not eat like the pork and them something there. I mean like liver.
Oh,
And then
yeah.
the-
No. Sometimes liver and dumpling, you know. But the liver
Like-
gravy, oh God, the liver gravy with little, what you call it, banana and dumpling.
Yeah.
It good.
Me
It
not
good.
like liver. The text, me just can't eat it. Me can't eat it. But I'm an ackee and saltfish girl. I'm a, we call it, no, me can't put in the little toast them. With bagel.
No,
I
man,
love bagel with cheese
Yes,
as
when
well.
you hear this, so you find out the people that when them go hotel, you know, so for them plate full.
Yeah,
you get
me
me?
not care.
You're not sure.
You can't follow me downstairs to see how much me I got take. I don't care.
Okay.
Eat no food.
All right, Danger, please take care. Go and go eat your food and make sure so the
Yes.
camera catch her when she a biting and one eye dumpling them down there. All right.
We'll probably bring up some too.
Okay.
I'll show you.
I went at the back, open nothing from the hotel, you know.
No.
Do Road Wid Dutty.
Hey, what's up? Good morning. What's your name?
I'm Onisia.
Onisi, and what's your parish?
St. Anne the Garden Parish.
Oh, of course, the good parish. Okay,
Right.
okay, the good parish where I like to vacation.
Yes.
Okay, so now, what kind of breakfast girl are you? Like, what you normally like to get for breakfast? Like a nice
So-
Jamaican breakfast.
So based on our stay here for the, I guess 1.5 weeks since we've been here, it's really just been simple. So fruits, egg, either the bacon or the bagel. Yesterday, though I had a feast.
Oh no, you pack up the plate.
My bottom the plate yesterday, right? So yesterday I had the same egg and sausage with
Yes.
the bagel. I had fruits, I had melon, orange, pineapple, and then I had pastries on the side. and
Oh
then
no,
I
man, I
had
love.
next bowl
You never
of
want lunch
porridge.
after that? No, man, that was
Food
good.
there.
That was good. But when they're home now, what kind of Jamaican breakfast you normally
So
draw for?
normally I really don't eat breakfast.
Oh,
It's
you kind of
something that I'm
fast.
trying to
Yeah,
cut out, though,
yeah.
Because I don't normally eat breakfast, so I just go about my day and then just eat whenever me remember.
No, that sound like me. Yeah, man, when you're at work, you get up in the morning, you just, if you just eat probably like after lunch time, man, and when the hungry box you don't know, you're like, oh, wow, yeah, man, me can't make gas step me.
Right.
All right, so take care, enjoy the rest of the day, and I love your perfume, it smells good.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. You get something from the garden Parish.
Yes.
All right, take care. So good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
All right, so what's your name?
My name is Jenicia Jones, Miss Clarendon.
All right, Miss Clarendon, and your name?
Hi, I'm Miss St. Thomas, Stefina Edwards.
Stefina, okay, no. So, you've had breakfast already?
Yes.
All right, what did you have for breakfast?
So for breakfast this morning, I had sweet potatoes with cabbage, some pork sausages, and some brown stew fish.
Okay, nice. So you're about to go for breakfast. You think
Yes,
you're
I am.
going to have the same thing, them type of food that you go for, or you are more like a dumpling,
Yeah, I'm a
saltfish?
traditional girl. Yes, I can saltfish.
Oh, you didn't have the dumpling
fried
today?
those things.
Oh gosh.
Traditional,
But
yes.
if them they have it, that you go for too. Okay, no. So all right, so do enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you so much.
And I'll be spending some more time. I'll see you throughout the day. Come, I'm gonna spend the day with you know. And you know, see how hectic and busy it will be. Oh Lord, me don't want to catch you at the morning exercise
Workout,
session and about me reach you late.
All
But
right.
okay, so I'll be seeing you for the rest of the day. Take care. All right, now, so let me just see which queen is going to make her way downstairs next, all right? So, okay, hold on. So I see another queen coming here. You're Miss Hanover, right?
Right.
All right, Miss Hanover, that's where my family them come from, you know, so I forgot big up Miss Hanover. Yeah, man.
Where in Hanover?
Wait, name again, Jericho?
Okay.
Yeah, over
fine,
there,
that one.
someone.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, no, so what may I ask now is like, you're about to go for breakfast. What kind of food you typically normally like when you're at your yard? What kind of Jamaican breakfast you like to have?
Typical Jamaican breakfast for me is something very fast. It's like a cup soup and in a vehicle.
Oh, you're on the go,
Yeah.
you're busy, you have things
Very
doing.
busy, right.
Okay. All right, take care. You introduce your name, right?
No.
Oh, tell the people them your name, like.
I'm Sonia Samuels and I represent the Little Giant of Hanover.
Here. All right, so first of all, I'm not really familiar with everybody's name and parish yet, so introduce yourself, see camera here.
I'm Shanoya Houston, representing Manchester.
All right.
And I'm Tony Shea Gray, representing the beautiful parish of St. James.
All right, so Manchester, St. James right here. Now, typically, when you're not there in the yard and you go for like a nice Jamaican breakfast, what you personally like to have?
I prefer ackee salt.
That is it. That is it. You know, you like to have it like with fried dumpling or like you use a boiled dumpling, banana type of
Boiled
girl.
dumpling, banana. Sometimes I prefer fried.
Yes, that is it, man. And what say you?
Well, I might get my Jamaican card revoked because I do not eat ackee.
Oh, gosh.
But
You eat kalaloo?
Yes.
Oh, all right. You get a point.
But I'm a simple girl. I love some eggs, some scrambled eggs.
Yes,
some
yes.
Real nice fried plantain or ripe plantain, you know. And you know, I like a chocolate tea, not too serious.
All right, thank you very much, ladies. Enjoy the rest of your day. Gosh. Hey, what's up, lovely?
Hi.
Hey, what's your name and your parish?
Shamoy Bailey representing Saint Mary.
Okay, Shamoya. What's so special about St. Mary?
You know, all of the good things, them, the good people, the good food.
You see that? And the good gap.
history. Yeah,
You
the
see
good
that?
gap.
I love that. All right, now, so you're making your way to for breakfast. You know, what type of Jamaican breakfast you typically enjoy?
Well, just a regular callaloo and bread sandwich. As a ticker, you know, I have to interest them having the porridge. So
Yes.
porridge or porridge can be
That is it. That is
Yes.
it. All right, now, so between me and you now, I'm trying to find out the school. Which parish do you think will be the last parish to reach down?
Oh, St. Elizabeth. Every day is that.
Boy, we just love the contestants, so they're honest with me. All right, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day, all right?
Thank you.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, now, so what's your name?
My name is Renetta Hunt.
Renetta Hunt, and your
Hunt.
parish? Hunt.
Yes.
Hunt, and your parish is?
Trelawney.
Trelawney. And what's your name?
Good morning. I am Shahida Grant and I'm from the beautiful parish of St. Catherine.
Okay, on a distinguished though, fit in the early morning, so I'm known it, I don't know. But you see how them hold it, and I give you poise and sophistication. So all right, now on the way to breakfast, right? And so I want to find out now what kind of breakfast typically you normally put together when you're home. What you normally love to have, you first.
Ackee and saltfish.
That is it, man. That is it. Real Jamaican breakfast. What say you?
For me, it's stewed chicken or boiled chicken with a little bit of steamed veg, plus yam, banana, and dumplings. Heavy.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. Which one of you are the better cook?
Me.
All right, so I love that. No, Mr. Latch, I have to find out from everyone now. Which contestant do you think going to be the last person to reach down? Which parish do you think will be the last parish to reach down for great class? My ear between everybody is one parish. And that name used to be a queen name in England.
Saint Elizabeth.
Oh, you're not Saint Elizabeth?
Yeah.
Miss Saint Elizabeth, them think I can reach down last.
That is my same response.
Either Saint Elizabeth or Saint Elizabeth come down already.
Between both of you, the parish starts with E. So that's what I've been hearing, so only can confirm it?
You're right. I can neither confirm nor deny, no comment.
Saint Elizabeth.
Jesus, Pim, everybody.
Saint Elizabeth.
Jesus Christ. You know, Queen is the same one, just want to know if you don't agree.
It's not Saint Catherine.
It's not Saint Catherine. The parish starts with E.
Yeah.
The parish starts with E. Jesus. The parish starts with
Yes.
It's okay. Okay, see there. All right. So at least all of the queens have a unanimous. All of the queens them agree. So now me I go wait, and I'm praying that no, but at this rate, wait, I talk to everybody already. I talk to everybody already. Says only one parish is missing. Oh Lord. All right, take care. Enjoy the rest of the day. I'll be spending more time with you. Yeah, man. All right, now. So right now, apparently the queens are heading to a special thing with Ed Bartlett. Where everybody going? Jesus Pim. Miss Anova, clearly me and your friend. You're my friend for today. So what is happening now? Where you now go right now?
We're going on the bus to go to our first training session for the day.
Oh, okay. So typically there's a bus that comes and transports you to each of the locations.
Right.
Oh, okay. So we have a training session with Minister Ed Bartlett are here?
No, not yet. We have speech and
Oh, with Adrian?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. So I'm going to be in the meeting. All right, so right now we're at a different location. We moved from Pegasus. We're there at VMBS in New Kingston, or where the Ministry of Culture, one of the different offices. So the girls are going to be having, I think, 2 sessions doing like some pep up with current affairs as well as some, what you call that? Them have some training sessions with Adrian Atkinson about speech and diction and them something there. So let's just see what that entails. All right.
Do Road Wid Dutty.
They're having a training session with the Dervan Malcolm in our room over there. So now apparently he's the person who's helping them with current affairs, public speaking, diction, and all of that. So this is around what time now? This is, wait, don't tell me say I can't read clock. Jesus Pete, no, this is Badberry. No, look on this now. You know what, this is embarrassing. You know how long I'm gonna do this? So this is 2:11. So this would have been now.
5 minutes to 11.
No man.
No man, that's
this is this is wrong. 22. Thank you. This is so embarrassing. Yes, so why you need pep for critical thinking? Oh gosh. Anyway, so come with me. So come with me into their training session. All right. I can't turn this on. Huh?
There's also the whole US election thing going on now.
They probably will ask how we feel about having the female elected as president.
Yes.
Hold on. I can ask a question.
Guys, there's a question. Hold on.
No, you have to be careful.
Oh yeah, Arun Meruni no more ask a question, right? So my question is, all right, so we're going back to 1962. How would you, based on your knowledge, what is your understanding of the Jamaican woman back then versus how would you define the Jamaican woman now? So like basically how would you have, think that Jamaican woman has been redefined or changed over the years from independence to now? Yeah. No, I can't talk, man, yeah.
we have always displayed and demonstrated what we are. Because back in the old days, I would say that the Jamaican woman was the first entrepreneur in the form of higglers. We used to plant the field and go out to the markets and sell and provide for our families. Nowadays, we put on our heels and we get into our suits and we take our place amongst other male counterparts as leaders, as entrepreneurs, as businesswomen, as teachers, as doctors, as lawyers. So it has not changed. It's just that we have a different image of resilience. The Jamaican woman has always been empowered. We've always been.
Yeah. Wait, did somebody just say under that?
Come on, give yourselves a round of applause.
Asked with the opportunity to create the ultimate Jamaican woman. Which three Jamaican female leaders or representatives would you use to create this ultimate power female, and why?
All the different ladies, they have to be a specific quality that's going to be.
Yes.
So Portia would have been the leadership skills. Dr. Terrica Reid would have been the everything. I want
And Debbie Burp for the confidence.
No, I have to mention also one of the women from St. Thomas is Dion Jackson Miller.
Yeah.
Yes, most definitely.
The only thing I would replace from Dangerous List really is the former Prime Minister, Portia Simpson Miller, and I would replace her with Shahini Robinson. And I have my reasons. She is the person who I look up to as to why I want to go into politics. Separate and apart from that, I would have known her personally. I just feel like she's a really phenomenal woman. May her soul rest in peace. But yeah, that would be my only change.
And if I had to add to the list as well, I don't know who I removed, but I definitely add Antoinette Orman. She is most recently the Chief of Mental Staff for JDF. And honestly, it's such a male-dominated field to get to the highest of the to me, that's so admirable.
I had Miss Lou. I had Donna Hope. I don't know if you know who
Professor.
But she's a professor. And she focuses on cultural studies and more importantly, cultural studies and women. So she don't ever do everything about women in Jamaican culture and Caribbean culture. I had Portia, and then I had Audrey, you know, a lady with the higglers.
Yeah, the actress, yeah.
Because like before me didn't understand everything to me, like Audrey was the it girl because she graduated in Jamaica, should have gone overseas, go to big places, because that's what she used to do higglers, and I said, wow, I want to be you. So like a lot of people don't know how much contribution that woman has, you know, given to Jamaican culture. And how resilient she is in terms of taking up space on the platform. Because it was the people who train with like Dion and the people that like, they never expect to meet that woman, really like, you know, that woman not coming here, that's when we stay up on the TV. So like, you know, I like that girl. Alicia. But like so Alicia gave like Shaheen on the basis that you have to give somebody where you can. Popular answers are great, but you have to find somebody where makes sense to you. We can't use who makes sense to me, you know. But I like, when I use Miss Kitty, one, and then surprisingly, when I run to Spice because I don't know what it is about that woman, but she refused to make nobody push her on. Like,
but
I mean, I love it, but like, and every answer you can't touch the stage with because when I say Spice, now I feel like immediately.
It's a controversial character.
It's just the way it's handled, and that me
Do Road Wid Dutty.
What? Talk between teeth and you what? Blow the sound out. And what are the sounds for the theatres? That's one sound, which is the hard sound. And the other one is? No. Soft TH, which is phonation. Phonation.
Okay.
This, them, those. That's the hard sound. When do you know that a sound is hard? No. Vibration in the vocal folds, right? And when you know that it's a soft sound?
There is no vibration.
No vibration. So, all right, so let's move on now to what is West.
Who came first in the contest?
Next.
Okay.
Miss Westmoreland. West. Go ahead.
Paul Fullcrest, who came first in
Who
the
for full crest? So you drop the lower jaw or sound? Paul. Yes.
Paul
Yeah.
Fullcrest, who came first in the contest, lives in East Rochester. That's what it is. Rochester. A suburb of Westport.
Suburb.
Suburb.
When is contest? Contest and contest.
Sir, repeat the question.
When is contest? Contest and contest.
The verb and contest is the noun.
Yes. How do you know verb versus noun?
Sir, it's the way that he says. If you're a contest, you're going to go higher.
No. Verb, the stress is on the second syllable.
Yes.
And the noun is on the first, as in use and used.
Whoa. No. You used to be.
Produce and produce.
Yes, I know. I was going to make.
There you go. So we need to know how.
We learned something today.
Question. Confidence, yes?
Yeah, so my question is like, how do you approach the best way when you are on a public platform and you make an error as relates to like subject-verb agreement? So you might just say, do you just make it go on, or do you start back the sentence because you don't want to draw attention to the fact that you've made an error?
Yes.
So how do you approach it on a public platform? Because maybe, you know, any of these ladies.
I'm happy that you asked that
Yeah.
question, because oftentimes, let me say this, oftentimes we make errors. Subject-verb agreement, we're not aware of it. It's about paying attention to the listening. If you are aware of it, you will be able to fix it. But if you make a mistake one time, 2 times, 3 times, you don't fix it, then take your loss. Good. If you now become aware of it, you fix it. Don't apologize for it. Fix it, get your thoughts together, and move on professionally. Good? If you want to laugh at yourself, you can laugh at yourself. That's fine. You're about to laugh anyway. But I would suggest that you don't laugh. Fix it.
Say example in the middle of the sentence and you go up and you say, he were eating.
Yes.
And then you're like, oh wow. But then
you
so.
don't say, oh, no. It's like, oh.
Yeah.
It's like apologizing.
Okay.
And the facial expression now would also be an apology. Have no reaction. So you just go back, fix it.
Show us an example.
And move on. Repeat it.
So I say, he were eating.
He were eating. He was eating. So you just fix it. I had no reaction. So we know that it was indeed incorrect. So I'm fixing it. So ladies, you have been given the tools and the techniques to apply yourself. You've been exposed to what? Mechanics of breathing, proper posture, and you've also been exposed to the organs of articulation and retraining those organs of articulation, right? You've also been exposed to what? Nervousness. How do you navigate your way through that process? You know what negative physical looks like. You know what it feels like, and what positive physicals look like and feel like. Each of you come with a mission to win. You must know what that looks like, what that feels like, and what it sounds like. Bring all that together and you are a winner. Whether you walk away with a crown or not, you're still a winner. Thank you so much for inviting me into your space and for making this another great experience working with JCDC. There you go.
It's a favorite group.
Me! Thank you.
So finally, I am here with Miss St. Elizabeth. Introduce yourself to everyone.
Hello, Jamaica. My name is Omolora Wilson. I'm a 24-year-old marketing and data analytics student at the University of the West Indies, Mona. I've served as a two-time guild president. I'm a cultural ambassador. I love dub poetry. I love playwright. You name it, I've probably done it. I'm also an educator. I've taught at Calabar and Wilmers and indirectly at the University of the West Indies, where I've taught over 3,000 students Caribbean civilization. Now, cap that.
Okay, so now that you said all of that now, so we're gonna just pretend so we're there, link up for get head to breakfast.
Absolutely.
Never really see it there, but may I ask you, what is your number one Jamaican breakfast? Where you say like where you go for your Aki and saltfish girl?
I'm not an Aki and saltfish girl. I'm not a salt mackerel girl. I'm not a baked bean and saltfish girl. I think I am just a fried fritters girl.
Oh, okay.
So put the fritters on, give me, I gotta eat.
Okay.
That's that.
No, so I was asking the contestants, I'm gonna say that which parish you think I could reach down last for go for breakfast. And the votes are in.
And they said it was me?
Yeah, man, 99.9% said it was Miss St. Elizabeth. This is your response.
Thanks for that. Because if we never come down late, then we would eat. So I thank God, so I'm running late. Yeah?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Do Road Wid Dutty.
All right, guys, so now it is after 12, about 1 o'clock now, and the ladies, they are being treated to some lunch because they're busy them up for the entire day, and then after which they'll be having a courtesy call from, of course, the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, and Sports, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange. So she's not here yet. The ladies, them inside, I'm sure they're hungry. I'm gonna say a very hungry belly one out there, so already. And so, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, and speaking of hungry belly, I see one over here, so already. See her over here, so. Over here, so. Plain and something. As I say hungry belly, it had to be, of course, Miss Kingston and St. Andrew. Danger. Over here, so.
Very unapologetic about the hungriness of my belly.
Okay.
Yes, I'm a proud hungry belly artist. Yes.
Okay, so as I just want to confirm, say, you guys will be, going to be treated to lunch now, and then we're going to meet with the culture minister.
Yes.
Okay,
and I'm
okay.
very excited for this courtesy call.
Okay, I'm more excited because the minister, my girl, you know, I tell you, man, we go way back. We go way back like this.
Okay, from she had it too, and so.
From here, man, men are in a basic school.
They never born.
No,
so.
well, I just look young.
Okay.
Road Wid Dutty.
Competition is very risky. So let me ask you now, most of the talent that you have displayed here is original works you write? Yes. Really? Yes. So you have some lyricists in here too? Very good. Clap yourself. So I'm very proud of all of you. And I know that you have great careers ahead of you in some aspect of Jamaican life. You know, the Festival Queen contest has produced a number of outstanding women in Jamaica. Tell me some of the names if you know them. Harris, yes. Yes. So you, Jenny, you really have some great women in whose footsteps you're gonna follow. And I wish you all the best. I wish you good luck. Remember, each and every one of you are winners. In this ministry, we focus on culture, entertainment, gender, and sports. We call sports physical culture, and gender is cross-cutting. Through entertainment, we can be proud that we have Kingston as a creative city of music. That we've been able to get the Blue Mountains designated, the Blue and Jonquil Mountains designated. We got reggae also inscribed by UNESCO. We now have Port Royal that we have put in an application for Port Royal to also be inscribed as a World Heritage Site. And we've also submitted Revival to be inscribed. And so we really have a lot that we can be proud of which we can be proud of. And you must always remember, this little rock, the little of the Talawa.
That is it. That's the end of the Do Road Wid Dutty vlog with the Festival Queen ladies 2024. I'm tired. I spend the entire day with them. Like I think them have rehearsals after this, right? Me not do it. I'm tired. I am not going to rehearsal. My day start at 5 o'clock and there's a continue. I'm done. I am tired. Big up to them. So make sure say you like, you share, your comments, and you subscribe. And if you want to see the final show, Westmoreland come here. Final show is when? When and where? When and where? Tell the people them.
August 3 at the National Stadium at 8:30. Get your tickets.
8:30.
And don't
okay.
be late. And tell a friend for tell a friend. Come with a hot cover, the posters, everything, excitement, energy. Yeah.
Okay, that is it. So you heard it. You heard it. So make sure say you be there to support all of these wonderful and talented ladies. All right.
Do Road Wid Dutty.